The CS12x Digital Reporting Monitor can copy a job from one USB drive onto another. And in this tutorial, we'll show you how. Start by inserting the drive that contains the job you want to copy. When its icon appears on screen, you can open the Job Manager. If you see a message that says primary storage not set, you'll need to set this drive as your primary storage. Scroll down to its icon and set it as primary storage. When you scroll back up, you'll see a list of jobs that are available. Open the job that you want to copy and then insert the drive you want to copy the job onto. When prompted to copy the job, select Yes. If your monitor says sync instead of copy, it's running an older version of the software. Select Yes to copy the job, and then visit the SeeSnake support website to obtain a free software update for your monitor. When the green check mark appears, the copy operation is complete, and you can remove the drive. For additional tutorials, visit the SeeSnake support website and the Rigid Today YouTube channel. And for updates on our latest videos, be sure to hit subscribe.